Good afternoon, everybody. We are here at 8056 Hartington Drive in Navarre, Florida. And I just want to do a quick pan of this front yard because you get so much glorious land space here. It is phenomenal. So long driveway that makes for a really quiet living space on the inside and so much beautiful landscaping. So let's go ahead and take you guys inside. You've got a 4-bedroom, 2 full bathroom home that is going to be just over 2,100 square feet. All right. So once we enter the house, to our left and our right, you have little, what I would call probably formal living room areas. You can make these into offices, seating areas. You could even get blackout curtains and make them into a little own like movie theater room or, viewing room. And then you come straight into the really nice size living room. We do have cathedral ceilings in here. Beautiful living space. This is going to be wood look vinyl flooring throughout. So it just makes for a really nice seamless look. And then you also have the kitchen. So here we go, opening it up from one side to the other. Our kitchen into the living room. Such a nice amount of space, and having the French doors going out to the backyard really make for some beautiful lighting in here. There we go. All right. So we do have an eat-in kitchen with the breakfast bar, so enough space for a larger size family. We do have that farm sink right there, stainless steel appliances when it comes to the fridge and the dishwasher. And then there we have our built-in microwave and then smooth electric top oven and stove top. There we go. And then ice maker and water maker on that fridge freezer, that double door there. And beautiful quartz countertops too. These are actually just newly installed and they will match with both bathrooms as well. It is the very end of February and these got finished the beginning of February. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and take you right off the kitchen. This is the laundry room here that does lead out to the garage. So you will have washer dryer hookups in here. And it's a very nice space too. So if you even wanted to add some additional shelving, you can make that if you like a more in-house laundry room, doing all the laundry in one spot. And then across the way, we have our master bedroom. Gorgeous split windows on either side, and you even have your personal access to the back patio and backyard. So we'll check that out once we wrap up in here. Very nice size master suite here, and it is an in-suite bathroom. Now again, these quartz countertops were just installed, as well as a refloor here. You've got some really nice luxury vinyl that's put in, a wood look as well. And here we are, this gorgeous built-in garden tub. Looks amazing with that beautiful frosted window. And then on either side of the tub, you do have his and hers closets. And then you also have a separate shower here as well. So really is just a very nicely spaced master bathroom with those double vanities as well. Large mirror, all the things that you could want. All right, coming back through, we'll actually start on this room just to the right of the television here. This is being used currently as a at-home office. So one of the sellers does work from home. Could be converted into a stunning sunroom in my opinion, or you could keep it as an office. Also having your own private access to the backyard patio. It is good to mention that this house is also on solar. Those were installed back in 2021, but the house did get a brand new re-roofing in 2023, so you don't have to worry about that. And there should be insurance and coverage docs on the solar in the MLS documents. Here we are on our second bedroom here. You do have a nice closet there. Great window for some natural light to let in. And these bedrooms are going to be carpeted flooring. So the bedrooms are carpeted. Everything else is going to be that luxury vinyl. Here we are in our second and final full bathroom here. Again, those countertops were just installed mid-February. You've got some nice vanity lighting coming in here. And then you've got your built-in shower tub duo there. Very nice. And then coming down the hallway, we will get into our last bedroom here. Got their nice closet. Again, same type of layout, except the window is going to be on an opposite wall as the previous, and you do have those carpeted floorings in here. All right. So it's safe to say that we have to highlight the backyard. I feel like that's going to be one of the biggest selling points here. It is stunning. Also on a side note, the at-home office, that is technically counted as a fourth bedroom. It does have a closet in there. So if you do have a larger family, you can absolutely use that as a fourth bedroom or a guest bedroom. So it is there at your leisure. So here we are in the backyard. And just look at the land that you get back here. Whether you are a gardener or you have animals and dogs, this is going to be the perfect place for you guys. And we also do have a shed on property in the back. I'm sure you can see it way back there. But the amount of land and solitude that you get here is wonderful. You do have neighbors and you are kind of off of a busy street, but I tell you, you can't hear a single thing. So it's very, very nice and secluded. But yes, again, we are at 8056 Hartington Drive in Navarre, Florida. You've got 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and all the land in the world to get creative and have your own private space. We would love for you to come check it out.